Hey guys, look, I found this website to be completely cumbersome, so I have to make a video showing you how to get to where you need to go, because that's how we're doing this, all right? So first of all, if you go to your bar and you type in Pavo Flynn, it'll come up and it should pop up as one of your thing, Flynn Prep. Okay, if it clicks this, it's going to give you the option, it should work, to go to Pavo. So you have to log in through Pavo first off, okay? Because that's what they're doing, right? So you click in login, and I'm going to type in my other guy. So this is student view. So I click in Professor Smugzoid at gmail.com. And I'm in, all right? This is what it looks like, okay? So as if the thing's not confusing enough, you have to come here, pull here, go to the dashboard, right? And then you get all this stuff, okay? And this doesn't tell you much. You click on my courses, all right? I'm going to click my learning path. I'm going to say Flynn Prep course. I click on this. I click on this. I access my content. All right, this is what I'm showing this video because good God. So you're going to get something that looks like this, okay? I'm signed in. You're going to be signed in. Now, this isn't telling us much. You click the plus to make it a negative. This is going to take some work. You got to do a couple clicks. This is what I found out very frustratingly. I had to call them about this and say, I have assigned you, let's say, fundamental topic 1, okay? So then you're going to click this thing, and I'm going to take the pretest, okay? So you'll do this sulfur hexachloride. Oh my God, sulfur hexachloride? Let's do this one. Let's keep going with this thing. Okay, next, right? Was this potassium sulfate? You guys should know how to name these things. If you don't, I swear to God, I'm going to start crying inside. Sodium bicarbonate. This will be this guy, Ca. Hit this one. Sulfuric acid. Please get these all right. What? Oh, I didn't read it. Stupid me. All right, keep going. Magnesium hydroxide. All right. And the last one's aluminum oxide, which would be, good God, be this one. Oh my God, this goes on. Aluminum phosphate. That's good. All right. Dinitrogen difluoride. Let's see that one. Oh, I did not read it. Okay, my advice is to read these. Don't do what I'm doing. I'm trying to rush through to get to the content. Okay, iron 3 hydroxide. Oh yeah, right. That almost got me. All right, is this one? Read them. Take your time. Formula for diphosphorus pentoxide. Okay, that'd be this guy. And view my score. I missed a couple because I was goofing off, right? 80%. Hey! Okay, cool. Now I'm going to hit explore the unit. So I click into explore the unit. And then it goes through your things. So it tells you the overview, talks about these different things, ion compound, cations, and it gives you all this, okay? But you can see what's going on here. You're going to row through, and this should be review. All the fundamental stuff is review stuff we've already done. That's why we're doing this. And then you go through here, then you can play with this chart. You can play with this one too. Then it talks about anions, cations, and then you go ahead and it gives you, it's a nice way of doing, I like this thing. It just took a while to get us to the point where you can actually use it. This is, crisscross method, stuff like that you've done, blah, 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 common mistakes, all this stuff at the end. Then you have these quick quizzes. So we can take a quick quiz, right? Calcium phosphate, all right. Well, it would be this one, submit. Yes, okay, because now I'm brilliant, right? And it talks about the next thing. Obviously, there's actually more to this too. You can hit this one. You can check another quick quiz. Chemical formula matches copper 2 chloride. I'm not going to do this because I want you to have something because I'm going through all this stuff. Then it talks about covalent molecule naming and do quick quizzes on those and do these. And ultimately, it talks about oxyacids, all this stuff. It's kind of a very, very cool way of doing this whole thing. And it talks about this little movie in the end, and it gives you resources. And then at the end, this is where it's important. You take the assessment. You click on the assessment, right? And boom, it's going to give you a bunch of questions you're going to have to answer, okay? Now, in the end, it's going to give you a score sheet. I will record those scores. This is part of your review. They are legit scores. So I'm just letting you know, you'll do all this way, but make sure that you're doing your best because they do count, okay? And you have lots of units here. This is, if you click on number 2, it does each little section. I mean, if you want to take shortcuts, 3 is this one, 4. I mean, this is a nice little thing. If you want to go back and review things, it has a big list of all the different topics it kind of goes through. You can't learn off of this like a textbook learn like we did like in Honors Chem, but it's a nice way to review all the concepts we've already gone through. So like I said, like I will put these up. These will be things you need to go through and kind of do on your own, because this will be going on in the background. We will not get enough time to touch everything in review, but this is going to help immensely, okay? With that, I hope you guys find it a very nice way to review all the information we've gone on in Honors Chem and the stuff we're doing this year. That's really important because you still have to have it at your fingertips. You can go back and go to this stuff when we get done, even if you've done the assessment. Now, if you fail the assessment, they keep making you take it until you score a certain score, but reducing points as they go. So try to do well in the first shot. Okay? With that, have an excellent day. Bye.